Hi guys, so we're back with another video and I'm with my friend today. Can you say hi please?
Hi.
You're going to be shown on the camera. Okay, let me turn the phone. Okay, we're doing a slime challenge. We've already made one. We forgot the video.
Oh my god, it was on the ground.
And hers is green. We're about to put this back in the container.
It won't fit.
Why, because you had that in there?
No, like I tried it. It won't fit anymore.
Hold on guys, she made a mess. That's good enough. We'll fix that later. Okay, so we're about to play a game. So, Kira, let's go first.
Me? Yes. Okay.
Okay. So, guys, close your eyes. Close your eyes.
No, you're gonna prank me.
No. Okay. So, guys, we're gonna put these colors, like all the colors right here, like blue, pink, red, dark pink, green, blue, yellow, and like a grayish black. And yeah, so we're just gonna put these all out in front of her, like perfectly, and making sure she's not peeking. So put your head back, Kira, and go ahead and pick your color. You're not supposed to look. Okay, close your eyes. Close your eyes. Close your eyes.
I am.
Okay, go.
I'm scared. You're
Just
gonna
go.
like. I know how to pick.
And whatever you pick, you have to keep with that.
I'm scared. You're gonna like.
Oh no, she's. Alright, hold on, guys. Let's see what she's doing down here.
You're gonna pick something.
Oh no.
What is this, Harley?
Okay, you want this?
Actually, I want this one.
You want that one? Okay. Alright, don't look. Alright, so she picked this color. Okay, she picked that the first time too, but who cares? Okay. Alright, we're back. Alright, now we're going to close your
Oh.
eyes. So between these and this. Alright, go. Don't look! You cranker!
I keep on
Go.
looking. You're gonna.
Okay, guys, we got our thing next. Now we need these. Hey!
No, I was doing this on my hand.
She's looking. Okay, go. Don't look.
I'm not.
Oh, God, guys, she go be mad. She go be mad. She go be mad. Go.
Wait, what?
Head back.
No, you're gonna pick something bad. I already know it.
Okay. Okay, guys. So far, she's picked these, this, and this. Let's see how this goes. She probably gonna be mad. Okay, now we need to do the glitter.
Okay.
Close your eyes.
I am.
Okay, go.
This. Wait, what? This one.
This one right here. Close your eyes. Let me grab it out. Okay, guys. Okay.
Okay,
All right.
look.
Yep. So you got red glitter, red slime, black clay.
I'm not gonna use
You have to
this.
use a little bit of it. Color foam beads and butterflies. So she is gone already. Now it's my turn. Alright, while she gets mine ready, I'm about to put you on the charger. So give me a minute, guys. So hold on, let me talk to her about her colors. While you're on the charger. Because you guys need a charge so you get hyper. Okay, so how do you feel about your colors?
I don't care because I
What's
know
the
that
worst
you
thing of yours?
cheated, but
I'm not going to cheat on you. I'm different. This one's turned out really good. And I had black, remember? Where'd it go? And I had orange and black clay, and it turned out awesome. Remember that?
Yeah.
How pretty it turned out. Hold on, wait. All right.
No, don't look.
I'm
No.
not done yet.
Alright.
Talking to you. So this is what you could have picked.
Mhm.
Now, because you have the black clay, you cannot put the black clay back into the container or back in the pot.
What?
You can't put this back in the pot or that or this. Well, you can't put that in there, duh. And yeah, this is Annie's slime. No, that's actually that's Annie's slime.
Okay. Close your eyes.
Hold on, wait, I gotta get the phone again. Hold on. So, how do you like your stuff so far?
This one I hate.
I know you did. Look. Right.
Ew.
It's way better. It turned out. I have a whole thing in
Mine's ugly.
No, I have a whole container in this. A whole container of clay in this. And it's way better than your half a container. Alright, let me grab my phone again. Okay, that's 6%. I think we're good. Alright, now it's my turn, guys. I'm scared. I feel like she's gonna cheat because she thinks I did, but I don't. Okay, so I'm just gonna look at you guys.
No.
I'm looking at you. I can't see nothing.
Yes, you can. I can see your eye.
I know that you can see my.
No. Put your head like in this.
No, I'm not
You're not
looking. I can't see
The
nothing.
camera looking.
How do I see you on the camera? She's arguing. She's being a brat. I'm scared, guys. Scared she's gonna cheat. Remember, the slime is first. Are you ready for me?
Mhm.
Okay. You are. Hold on. You control the camera,
Okay.
and it's just this one's open,
This is mine.
and it's just clay, right? It's
No,
just
put your
slime,
head
right?
like.
It's just slime.
Yes. Just slime.
Let me make sure.
Just slime. See? Oops, sorry.
I gotta make sure.
See? Slime.
That's not in it.
Slime. Okay, close your eyes.
I'm scared, guys.
But I can see you looking. I can see you looking. Okay.
Hold up 2 fingers. Oh, hold up fingers. Let me see. See that?
Put your hair like that.
I second grade.
Hmm?
I second grade that. Hopefully I got a good color. Okay. Okay, guys. I'm gonna play my slime.
Okay.
Is it ready? You have the camera ready?
Have.
Alright, is it just the two? Oh wait, it's clay and these and this, right?
Mhm.
How many do I get to pick?
One.
Why not 2? Because you put
Okay,
so
fine,
many
2.
things in here.
Okay.
You
Okay.
can't put black in there more. And this one. Don't feel like I got anything bad, so I guess I'm good. Okay, is this the last thing?
No glitter time.
Oh,
And then foam.
and this.
And
Like,
then.
oh wait, no.
Okay.
And foam.
Okay,
What
go.
about
Do
foam?
it. I mean,
This one.
I can see you. Look. I know you're.
This one.
Okay, again.
This one.
Okay. Get it out.
Okay, let me have my phone.
Okay,
Okay,
guys,
I'm scared. Okay, let's see what I picked. You guys know, right?
I know you cheated, but.
Yes, on pink. Woo! Foam, white,
Nice.
and a color I did not want. No, who cares? Alright, let's make our slimes. So I'm gonna open my slime first. Now we're just gonna hit it with something.
They're mine.
Oh, yes, don't go. Wow. Aren't you kinda glad?
In there now.
the black. Oh, well, you got it. Actually, the black actually feels really good. Remember my side?
Yeah, but it's gonna make it look emo-ish.
Okay, guys.
Okay, I'm just gonna put that.
Oh,
much.
mine's ingredient. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna put in is our beautiful pink glitter. Mine's pink and white edition.
It's hard again.
What's yours? Black and yours is black,
I don't
red,
want
and
that
rainbow.
much.
You have to deal with what you put. Aren't you kind of mad?
Yeah.
I'm gonna put a lot in this. I'm gonna put a lot of this color. I like this color. It's my favorite color. White. She got black over there. You want to see how she's doing? She's not doing so good over there. I think she's mad. Are you mad?
I'm not.
Are you mad about your colors that you got?
Mm-mm.
Are you mad that she picked the ones that you didn't want?
Mm-mm.
We forgot a round for her.
Look at it.
We forgot a round for you.
What?
Close your eyes. Okay, guys, I'm scared. So we're just gonna put those down, and we're gonna put these down, I guess, because they're good enough. Oh, we forgot something. Okay. Head back, go. Let's see what she grabs, guys. This one?
What is it?
Okay, I think she's good with her round. Okay, guys, we're putting the clay
I'm gonna
in.
do pandas.
Panda, 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 panda. Da-da-da-da-da.
How do you?
Okay, we're trying to...
How do you twist it? Hold on. How do you? I need help here. Oh, okay.
Guys, I want more than this. It's not giving me any. That'd be kind of embarrassing if my mom came in. I don't like showing people, except they're my friends. I'm having a hard time here. You pick pigs,
And
pandas, and whatever that thing is.
I know I'm not picking that. Where's the pigs at? I don't have enough.
Okay, there we go, guys. I like white. It'll be really pretty.
Not that much. Oop, that's all.
Because she's getting a little mad over there.
Mm-mm.
I thought you didn't like black.
Who cares?
So you want black?
Mm-hmm.
You wanted black.
Mm-hmm.
No, you didn't. You're like,
This is
oh,
soft."
you traded.
It feels
Okay,
so
guys.
good.
Okay. Now, this is what it looks like popcorn. I know, guys. I'm going to put a little more glitter in it.
Oh.
Don't touch it!
Mm.
I don't think it